Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 12, how heavy, how light, on page number 135. Now children, here is an activity. Manu and Jaiju put a pencil and a geometry box in the two pans of the balance. Now children, here Manu and Jaiju put a pencil and a geometry box in the two pans of the balance. This is balance children, and they put in one pan geometry box and in one pan pencil. Which pan will go down? Now see children, which pan will go down? This pan will go down because geometry box is heavier than pencil. Isn't it children? The thing which is heavier will make the pan go down. Now here children, reason is because geometry box is heavier than pencil. Now children, the next question is, what is heavier? Now children, make pairs of different things and use the balance to decide which is heavier. First guess which things will take the pan down and then check with your balance. Now children, my first pair is pencil and notebook. Now children, tell me out of pencil and notebook which will make the pan go down? Yes, the pan in which there is notebook will go down. Why children? Because if you compare these two objects, pencil and notebook is heavier than pencil. So the pan in which the notebook is there will go down. So children, like this you can also make pairs and write down by your own which is heavier. Now children, for example, if I tell you toothpaste and toothbrush, among these two, which one is heavier? Yes, toothpaste is heavier. Now children, if you compare socks and trousers, yes, trouser is heavier. Children, in this way, you have to make the pairs and write the answers on your own. So, you have to make at least 5 different pairs and write down which one will make the pan go down or which is heavier. Okay, children. Now, our next topic is, what is the heaviest? Now, children, make group of 3 things. For example, eraser, ball and paper. Use the balance to arrange them in order of weight. The lightest, the one with in between weight, the heaviest. Complete the table with at least 5 examples. Now children, here you have to take 3 objects, and from the 3 objects you have to identify the lightest one, the in between weight one and the heaviest one. Now first example, they have given you paper, eraser and ball. Among these 3, paper is the lightest of weight, eraser is in between weight and the ball is heaviest one. Now children, similarly the next example is glass, jug is in between weight and bucket. Now children, if you compare this glass, jug and bucket, you will find that glass is the lightest in weight, bucket is heaviest in weight and jug is in between these two weight. Understood children? Now the next example can be, yes, if in your bag you can see children, pen is the lightest one, then notebook is in between weight, then dictionary is the heaviest of 3. Understood? Now children, again handkerchief is the lightest in weight, then scarf is in between weight and shawl children is the heaviest one. So children, one more example from this, orange is lightest then coconut is in between weight, and pumpkin is the heaviest among all these three things. Understood, children, this part? If you compare glass, jug and bucket, you will find that glass is lightest, bucket is heaviest, jug is in between. Similarly, we have to compare for the other examples also. Now children, tell me, can you find your own weight using this balance? Can you find your own weight using this balance? You see this balance where, children? Yes, in Sabji market we see this balance. The vegetable seller uses this balance, no children? Then can you find your own weight using this balance? No. No, we cannot find our weight using this balance. Now children, as you know, in this chapter, how heavy, how light, we are learning all about weights. Grams and kilograms are some of the units used to measure the weight of an object. Now children, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Then children, half kg will be how many grams? 500 grams. Or 500 grams is equal to what, children? Half kg. Then children, 250 grams will be how much? 1 by 4 kg. And 750 grams will be 3 by 4 kg. Understood, children? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Half kg is equal to 500 grams. 1/4 kg is equal to 250 grams. 3/4 kg is equal to 750 gram. Understood? You have to learn all this, children. Okay? Hope you have understood this topic. Now children, in the next video, we will see from page number 136. Till then, bye children. Have a nice time.